Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. We've got an offer, something truly special. 1972 MGB Roadster, finished in Teal Blue. Car is one owner from new. Recorded mileage of just over 51,000 miles. Car's never been painted, never been restored, never been welded. So this is your opportunity to own a pristine original MGB Roadster. I have to say, having driven it, it really does feel very tight, really pleasurable car to drive. I'll walk you around the bodywork, although apart from appreciating the quality of the car, there's not a huge amount to see. There's no issues at all. It's all factory paintwork, all the shut lines, all as it would have been when it left the factory. Local car from new. Sadly the owner's health has deteriorated, so not able to drive it anymore. He's clearly cherished and loved the car, having taken it halfway around the world with him by all accounts. So it's a well-travelled car, but not necessarily on the road. Good to see one still on row-style wheels. So many have been converted to wires, but as I said, this car is as close as you're going to get to a factory original. All the chrome is pristine, all the trim. It's the first one I've seen in a long time that's still got the original rubber floor mats. Virtually unmarked seats, unworn. Everything works down to the courtesy lights. Excellent oil pressure. Obviously the hard top is removable. I will be adding some photos later with the hard top off. In here is all factory original tonneau sticks, jack bag, a few other odds and ends. Tonneau cover there, spare wheel. Have a look under the bonnet as well. Exceptionally clean and tidy under here. The car is fitted with a servo. And the only other spots is it looks like the slam panels had a little bit of paintwork touched up at some point in the past, but otherwise everything is original under there. Nice pair of period Lucas spot lamps as well. So there we have it. Overall, it's got to be unique, I would have thought. Can't be that many cars of this vintage left in this unblemished and untouched condition. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage, and thank you for watching.